Making money online is literally easy, but if you don't know where and how to start making money online, it becomes confusing. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a way by which you can earn 2,000 Naira daily. Okay, so if this title sounds interesting, please give this video a subscribe right there and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay, now the name of this website, most of you have heard about it, while most of you haven't heard about it, but the name of this website is called Naira Workers. Okay, so watch and stick to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm gonna be showing you easy hack that you're gonna use to earn money, huge money out of this Naira Workers at the end of this video, so stick around. Okay, so once you appear on Naira Workers, I'll be leaving my registration link, the link to register in the description box. So just click on the link, then it's gonna bring you up to a page whereby you're gonna register. You're registering with your email account, your password, and your username. Yeah, so after that you'll be sent a verification code. I think I should be leaving a screenshot right there. So you're gonna send you a verification code. So once you just click on the verification code, your account is being verified. You are now enabled or allowed to start performing task. Okay, so once you click on this three icon up right there, it's gonna bring you up to somewhere like this. Okay, so you're gonna click on available jobs, the available jobs right now. That's why you really need to hurry up on this and start earning money online on this. Okay, as you can see, there are many tasks. As you can see, WhatsApp status post. This one has 35 Naira. This one says earn by contacting me on WhatsApp. As easy as that. 25 Naira. As you can see, there are a lot of tasks to do. There are a lot of tasks to do. Just come here, start perform this task, each you just start perform this task, and you find out that at the end of the day, you're making up to 2,000 Naira. As you can see, this one has 128.80, this one 210, this one 18, and this one. Before you perform all these tasks finish and add up your money, you will see that you're summing up to this price. Okay, this is the amount I made today. As you can see, I just started I just performed the task few minutes ago. As you can see it right there, the earnings I got was 7.20 Naira, while the pending funds I have now is 14.40 Naira, just from two tasks I just did. So most of you guys can just comment. Those of you that have time can just give this as a part-time job. Just come over here, just register, start performing tasks, and get paid straight into your account number. As I said, the verification code is, the registration link is in the description box, so check in the description box to get the registration link. Now the hack I'm going to show you on how to make huge money on this is always come on this in the morning. Like, wake up in the morning and come on this, because it's mostly in the morning that most employees or people that want to employ workers are usually posting videos. Yeah, so come over here. As you can see, some of the tasks they have been completed. That is why they are being removed. So in order for you to make huge money out of this, and those huge money owns are usually posted in the morning, and many people rush on this like mad. So in order for you to get money or huge money out of this, you have to be waking up in the morning or early in the morning to come and check if there is a new task or there is a new post on this website. So that's easily how to earn money on this. Just come over here, start performing easy tasks. As you can see this one, and the requirements aren't that hard. Most of them are just screenshots. As you can see, this is your requirement screen of the right upon your status with a minimum of 30 views. They are really easy to do. I just started a few minutes ago and I completed 2 tasks. It is very easy, and they verify the task very easy. So I hope this video is informative, and I hope this video have helped you. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you're a new subscriber, or if you're a returning subscriber, please give this video a like button. If you have any comments or you have anything to share with us, please leave it down in the comment section. What do you think about this video? Let each and every one of us know in the comment section. Okay, so I will see you next time in my next video tomorrow.